Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web. In this video, we're breaking down the best nonstick cookware sets of 2025 perfect for home cooks and kitchen pros alike. From durable designs to effortless cleanup, these top picks will make every meal easier and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking.
Product links in our description below.
Number 1. Rachael Cucina Hard-Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set. The Rachael Cucina Hard-Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set includes 12 pieces designed for everyday cooking. This set features hard-anodized aluminum construction for quick, even heating, and nonstick interiors for easy food release and cleanup. The cookware is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the dual-riveted handles are coated with silicone for a comfortable grip. However, some users have reported that the lightweight design may lead to instability on certain stovetops, and the nonstick coating may degrade over time with frequent use. It's advisable to hand-wash these pieces to prolong their lifespan. Number 2. Circulon A, 1 series with ScratchDefense technology nonstick cookware set. The Circulon A, 1 series with ScratchDefense technology nonstick cookware set offers advanced nonstick performance with aerospace-grade materials, creating a surface more resistant to scratching, sticking, and flaking than ordinary nonstick. Its thick edge-to-edge steel base is induction-suitable, providing fast, even heating and enhanced warp-resistant stability from stove to oven. This cookware is designed for durability and versatility in modern kitchens. Number 3. T-fal Signature Nonstick Cookware Set. The T-fal Signature Nonstick Cookware Set is a 12-piece collection designed to enhance your cooking experience. It includes 7.75-inch and 11-inch fry pans, a 10.25-inch griddle, 1-quart and 2-quart covered saucepans, a 5.5-quart covered Dutch oven, and 4 nylon tools. The cookware features a durable nonstick interior and exterior for easy food release and cleanup. T-fal's thermospot heat indicator shows when the pan is perfectly preheated. The set is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe, offering versatility and convenience. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip during cooking. Number 4. Ninja C 38000 Foodi NeverStick Premium 8-piece Cookware Set. The Ninja C 38000 Foodi NeverStick Premium 8-piece Cookware Set is designed to offer durability and high performance for home cooks. This set includes essential pieces such as fry pans, saucepans, and a stock pot, all featuring Ninja's proprietary NeverStick technology to ensure a long-lasting non-stick surface. Constructed from hard-anodized aluminum, these pieces provide even heat distribution and are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The cookware is also dishwasher-safe, facilitating easy cleanup. Users have praised the set for its excellent non-stick performance and ease of cleaning. One customer noted that the pans cook food evenly due to their full-contact bottoms. However, some users have reported issues such as scratches and peeling over time, despite using recommended utensils and care practices. Additionally, a few customers mentioned that the lids do not fit the small frying pan, which could be a drawback for some. Number 5. GreenPan Valencia Pro 11-piece Cookware Set. The GreenPan Valencia Pro 11-piece Cookware Set is a high-performance, toxin-free option for any kitchen. Made with hard-anodized aluminum and a magneto base, it offers durability and compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. The diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring safe cooking. It includes fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and a stock pot, all with stainless steel handles and oven-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher-safe and easy to clean, the set heats quickly and evenly, though some users...
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.